Hey everyone, long time no see. Welcome back for another plan with me. I know I missed the past 2 weeks plan with me's, but I'm back. I don't know, things have just been weird for the past couple weeks and it just couldn't happen. But we are back, we are here, and it's time to do another plan with me for the week of January 29th through February 4th. And in case you were wondering what the previous week's spread looks like, this was last week. Really cute. I actually did film this, but was having lots of technical difficulties, so wasn't able to post that. And then here's the week before. As you can tell, it was one of those weeks where planning just went out the window, since, you know, it was just a crazy couple weeks. But now we're back with a fresh week, and it's actually Monday, so I am technically a day behind, but it's okay. I'll take it. So the kit we are using today is from one of my favorite Etsy shops. It is White Deer Stationery, and it's nice, I don't know, like January kind of kit. I think this looks very January. Just a little bit of sparkle, a little bit of winter. It is glossy, so hopefully there's not a bad glare, and I just think it's a pretty dang cute kit. So I'm pretty excited about it, and we'll just get into it. So I'm going to go ahead and do the today headers up top and kind of build from the top and the bottom at the same time. I don't know, I want to do kind of, I see a lot of people doing it where there isn't really a rhyme or a reason, but it still flows. It's not like your full boxes are all in the middle or all on the top. It's just kind of, you know, wherever they fit for that day. So I think I might try and do it that way this week. So it might look cute. It might be a disaster. We'll know in probably 30 to 45 minutes, so get excited. Well, anyways, long time no talk. It has been, I don't know, like a weird past couple weeks. Like, I feel like things are off, you know, just a little bit off. Also, don't mind my hand. I know it looks disgusting. I was actually making, I was making a frozen pizza, as I do, and I was pulling it out of the oven, and I was using a spatula to get it onto a cookie sheet. So I had a spatula in this hand, a cookie sheet in this hand, while I was talking also on the phone. So I had the phone kind of between like my shoulder and my ear, so I was all sorts of like crooked. I was trying not to drop the pizza or the pan. I was trying not to burn myself, and I was the dum-dum who did not fully open the oven. I had like the door kind of like at a 45-degree angle and totally hit my knuckle on the hot door, burned my hand, and dropped my phone almost in the oven. Luckily I was able to catch it on the cookie sheet, but yeah, it was dramatic. It was too much. I'm also going to go ahead and do the flags just because I know I'm going to forget. They don't perfectly fit, but they're close enough. And you know how I said I was going to try and do the more creative option? Yeah, I'm already kind of overwhelmed, so I'm just going to do it like I usually do, and I think I'm just going to put them all at the top. I think this is what I did last week too, but hey, it's okay. This is technically a different month, so we can like start over and just kind of roll with it, you know? So I'm going to save the quote box for the sidebar, and then we'll just kind of go from there. Anyways, so yeah, I burned my hand, which is why it looks very, very gross and bothered, because it is, but it's fine. I'm okay. It's just not very cute, so I apologize. I should like wear a glove or something. I'm sure that's what you would prefer, which I understand because it looks pretty gnarly. But anyways, what else have you guys missed since I haven't been doing these as regularly as I would like? I don't know. I feel like a lot has been going on, but at the same time, like, not so much. I don't know, it's just very, very strange. I've been having some annoyances with my beauty channel, and I always kind of hate talking about it because it's a little whiny. I'll just say it kind of sounds like I'm being just like whiny and annoying, but it is kind of annoying, and it's been like a month, so I feel like I can, you know, kind of complain about it. But basically I changed, or not changed, but I left a management group, if you would call it that. I wouldn't even call it that. I don't even know what you call it. Basically, it was just nothing. It was Style Haul, and they just kind of take some of your AdSense money and like help you, but they don't actually do anything. So I broke that contract, which means I needed to apply for Google AdSense through YouTube in order to have my videos monetized. And I know like monetization isn't necessarily a popular topic, just because, I don't know, talking about money makes people feel awkward, hence like I feel a little awkward right now, because I mean, making money from just doing like a hobby, especially just making makeup videos, it just seems too good to be true to some people. But I mean, it's a nice little check at the end of the month, and it helps pay bills, helps pay for gas, heck, it helps pay for new makeup to review to keep the channel kind of fresh. So I have no problem with, you know, having ads on my videos and all that good stuff. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm not one of those people that put like 10 ads in one video, because that is annoying. But I do, you know, like being able to make a little bit of something for doing something I really, really enjoy. And for the past month, I've been waiting on Google to, or YouTube or whoever, to approve me, and I've been in review for probably 3 weeks now. And the most annoying part of this whole thing is there's nobody you can contact. Like, there's no email you can shoot, there's nobody you can call to be like, hey, what's the status of this? You know, there's just like nothing. It's just a waiting game. And then with the whole like YouTube changes that have happened, where you have to have now at least 1,000 subscribers and then 4,000 watched hours, I think, that makes it even harder. And I feel like it's also put the like monetization approving team into overdrive. So I feel like that's also why it's taking longer than expected. But I mean, it was supposed to only take a week, and now it's not supposed to be done till the end of the month, and well, the end of the month is in 2 days. So yeah, needless to say, we will not be making any money this month from YouTube, unfortunately. It's fine. And I mean, it's not enough money that's gonna like break or not break the bank. Well, you know what I mean. It's not gonna make like that big of a difference, but it's still nice. Especially because I do put a lot of time and effort into it. Whether you believe it or not, there's a lot of hours that go into filming, editing, uploading, promoting, and doing that with a full-time job. I mean, there's so much more I could do, but again, doing it with a full-time job and wanting to be able to at least relax a little bit once you get home, it's like, it's just a lot. So who knows, maybe by the time you see this, which will be on the 30th, maybe we'll be back in action, but I'm not going to hold my breath on that one. Okay, I'm going to save my little things for later and just go ahead and work on my sidebar. So I'm first going to do the quote, which is super cute. It says, cold night, large sweater, warm tea, good book, soft socks, and chocolate, which I think is going to be my evening tonight, except for we're going to substitute the warm tea for wine, because y'all know, we love some wine. Then I'm going to go ahead and do my work header to track my hours, because, you know, that's what I like to do. Make sure I'm there enough. Well, obviously I'll be there enough, but just make sure, you know, everything is in check. And I think I'll do this nice sparkly weekly checkbox, because that's really, really pretty. And of course, this thing's already crooked because I'm not good at making anything straight, but that's alright. Good enough. Alright, next I'm just going to do a couple of habit trackers so we can track something. You know, I really need to track, and this is, like, you can judge me all you want, but I know some of y'all are just as bad as I am. But I want to track flossing every single night, because I am the worst when it comes to flossing. And I know if I do it at night before I brush my teeth, then we'll be golden, but I don't always do it. I do it I'll do it some of the time. I've gotten better, but I want to do it every day, every evening, this evening, and then we'll track something else. This kit also comes with a couple 3-heart checklists, so I think we're going to utilize that. So let's do a to clean for the week. Even though I will say Tyler, my boyfriend, has already deep cleaned the apartment, so I feel like he's already gotten a head start, but I'm not complaining. He finally took down our Christmas tree, so Christmas is officially, I know, don't judge, but he, I guess, just finally got tired of looking at it, so he took it down for us. And like deep cleaned everything but the bedroom, so really I just need to like deep clean the bedroom. anyways, y'all don't care. Let's do goals, because I feel like I never focus on my goals as much as I should to really like obtain them. And I think having 3 like overall goals for the week is a good number. And then we'll just do a little bit of washi down at the bottom just to cover that little line. Perfect. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and do the date covers. I seriously love the fact that this kit comes with date covers. It's something that I really appreciate in kits and I really look for in kits because I feel like it just kind of ties everything together. I don't know what you guys think about it, but if there's ever like an option to add on a date cover for a kit, then I always do it whenever I'm shopping on Etsy. Also, speaking of Etsy, I am looking for new shops to buy from because I feel like I just buy from the same like 5 shops, which I love them, but I want a little bit more variety. So if you have a favorite Etsy shop that you shop from all the time and you love their stickers, you think that they're super creative, or you know, there's just something about them that you love, let me know so I can go shop and spend some money, because you know, important things, and I'll just go ahead and do the dates real quick. Alright, great. So now we're going to do our little things. So I think what I'm going to do is just build them from the bottom here, and then we'll cap them off with the header. So let's first start off with all of our little meals. Today, Tyler actually made some sort of chicken baked tomato thing. So that is currently staying warm in the oven, and I'm going to eat that as soon as we get done with this, and then, you know, edit the video and blah blah blah. So that's super exciting. I unfortunately don't have a HelloFresh meal coming this week. I think they had like one too many fish options this week, and fish is, fun fact, not my fave. I mean, I'll eat it if it's put in front of me and it's like free, or like a friend made it or something. Or I've learned that I do not mind salmon or like tilapia I can eat, but if it's like super fishy or something, or grouper, I do like grouper. Basically, if it's cooked right and it's like, you know, I can sample it first, then I'll be good. But if it's just kind of something I'm paying for, like if I'm out at a restaurant, unless it's like a seafood restaurant, I'm probably not gonna get seafood. So the more you know about me, you know? Next, for TV, we have a little bit going on today. The Bachelor comes on in approximately like 50 minutes, so that's really, really exciting. Thursday, Will and Grace comes on, so we'll watch that. And then on Sunday, I like to watch the Food Network because they have, what is it? They have Worst Cooks of America on, and I relate, so I like that one. Usually I would say Tuesday we have This Is Us, but unfortunately This Is Us is not coming on Tuesday, so that is that. What else do I need to do? I need to do some cleaning. I think Friday is going to be my big cleaning day, because I'll have a little bit more time that day. And I'm going to have to do laundry. Honestly, I should probably do laundry today, but I'll do it Wednesday, because I'm not going to have to wake up early or anything for work the next day, so I can kind of stay up a little later and get it done. And I think that is everything, so we'll just go ahead and cap all of that off with our little things headers. But anyways, any of y'all watched The Bachelor? And if so, little like spoiler alert here, not really, because I haven't seen today's episode, but I mean, what do you guys think? I'm still honestly not totally sold on Ari. I just feel like he's a little heartless. Like, I don't know, I don't see him being like super lovable and like, oh, Ari, team Ari, you know? It's just kind of like, I don't know. And I'm also still not sure who I think is gonna like take home the final rose. I don't like to say when in the show because I feel like that's not really appropriate. I don't know, it makes me uncomfortable. But I just don't know who is going to be like the one at the end. If it's gonna be any, you know, dun dun dun, whatever. But if you like have read spoilers or something, don't let me know, because I would not appreciate that. That would make me a little upset. But I'm still just not sold on everybody. I don't really have like a favorite. I think maybe Becca, not the young Becca, but the like Becca that's more his age Becca. She seems nice, and they had a good like first date and stuff. It just seemed like a normal, natural relationship. But I don't know, everybody else, either I still don't know their name, or they're just like weird. So I don't know. Moving on, I do have a few bills due, so I'm going to add that. I'll add that to the top up here. So on Saturday, rent is due, which I guess we'll take it out of the bank on Monday, but still Saturday. And then on the 1st, on Thursday, that's when the power bill comes. So we'll pay that on the 1st. And now I think I'm going to go for the whole, like, no white space thing, because that's basically what we've done so far. So I'm going to take the rest of my washi, and I'm just going to kind of fill it up and take some of the full boxes, half boxes, other things, and we'll just, you know, take away all the white space. Okay, perfect. Now let's start filling some things in. So let's see what we have to do. On the 1st, I have to take the princess, the puppy dog, to the vet. So that is going to be marked down here with this cute little paw print. Hopefully we have good news at the vet, fingers crossed. What else is going on? Actually, I'm going to add another giant box to Friday because this is going to be a big filming / blogging day. So I'm going to do a little camera, or not camera, this is a little laptop. I'm going to do a little laptop to kind of indicate that, and, you know, keep that in mind for this day. I also need to go get my nails done on Friday, so I think there was a little nail polish. Did I just make that up? Nope, there's nail polish right here. So I'm going to use this little icon, and we'll get our nails done on Friday. Maybe I'll get it done on Thursday, but most likely it's probably going to be Friday. I'm going to have to do my plan with me on Sunday. Maybe I'll do it Saturday. You know, I take that back. Yeah, I'm going to plan to do it Saturday so I can at least hopefully get it up on Monday or maybe even Sunday. That'd be pretty awesome. And then I'm going to need to get Etsy orders out. I'm going to aim to get those out Wednesday because I do have a few that need to go out, which is super exciting, and I seriously love it whenever we get new Etsy orders in. It just warms my heart. I'm going to add this nice little weekend banner across Saturday and Sunday because, you know, the weekend. And let's see, we're not going to go see any movies this week because, fun fact, I also am not really into movies. The kit also comes with some deco, but I don't think I'm going to use it just because I kind of like how it's looking right now. Now, I know I already put down a YouTube icon / blogging icon over here, but I think I'm going to do another one over here for Wednesday because I think I'll be able to do that evening because, again, there's not much going on, and I'll be able to do that after work. And I have these blog day stickers from the Etsy shop Paper Chic Plants, which is one of my favorites, and I'm just going to take one of the little ones and I'm just going to put it right at the top, and I can focus on my blog that day. So that's awesome. I also have these cute little wine stickers, and I think I'm going to add one of these for today because I definitely need a glass of wine after the day I had. So I'm going to do the wine about it one because that was kind of like my day. You know when you have those days where everybody's just in a bad mood and you're just the one who's there at like the wrong time and they just like let you have it even though you didn't actually do anything? That was today. So yeah, that sticker is definitely necessary. And I guess the last thing I can do is I can use my little mini icons. These are from the Etsy shop Planning Roses, which is one of my favorites, and she also has a really good YouTube channel. And I like to do these just for the days I'm going to upload my videos. And I like to just cover up one of the little check boxes, or the heart boxes in this case, and it can be like my little to-do of the day. So I'm going to upload this video that you're watching tomorrow on the 30th. And then I have 3 beauty videos that go up every week, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. So this week is going to be hopefully no different. And I think on Friday, if everything goes to plan, it should be my January favorites. So keep a lookout for that in case you're interested. And yeah, I guess that's everything for this week's plan with me. So far, this is what the whole spread looks like without the little bit of a glare from my lights. But I think it came out looking pretty dang cute. So if you like this video, let me know by giving me a thumbs up and subscribe. And I usually do a plan with me every single week. And also don't forget to let me know what your favorite Etsy shop is down in the comments. But yeah, that is everything for today. And I'll see you guys next time.